Namaste, Jai Hind. Today we are going to start a series of Olympiad questions. So I would request to all you please focus on this video and try to attempt all the questions. अगर सारे क्वेश्चंस को हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे तो हमारी ओलंपियाड की तैयारी भी अच्छे से हो जाएगी। ये क्वेश्चन उसी से है जो हम लोग इसका वीडियो पहले ही अपलोड कर चुके हैं, तो जो पहले का वीडियो नहीं देखे हैं वो जरूर जाके ये सारे वीडियो देख लें। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो। सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन को हम लोग देखेंगे और इसमें टोटल 10 क्वेश्चंस हैं, जो सारे मैंने सेलेक्टेड क्वेश्चन ही लिए हैं, जो पहले भी ये क्वेश्चंस आए हुए हैं ओलंपियाड में, पहले भी ये क्वेश्चंस आए हुए हैं और आगे भी आने के इसके चांसेस ज्यादा हैं। सो लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चंस। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इफ एलसीएम ऑफ x एंड y, अगर हम लोग को दो नंबर दिया है x एंड y एंड द एलसीएम इज z आ चुका है एलसीएम, सो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज करेक्ट फॉर फाइंडिंग द एचसीएफ। तो अगर हम लोग को फिर से एचसीएफ निकालना है, एलसीएम दिया है और एचसीएफ फाइंड करना है, तो हम लोग इसको कैसे फाइंड करें। तो इसमें सोचने का तरीका हम लोग कैसे डेवलप करते हैं, ये मेन है। हाउ डू वी थिंक, इसको बनाने से पहले कैसे हम लोग सोचते हैं। जैसे कि हमको एचसीएफ निकालना है दो नंबर जो x और y है, तो हम लोग कैसे निकालेंगे HCF। तो you can see that we have discussed the properties of LCM and HCF। उसमें एक प्रॉपर्टीज हम लोग बात किए थे कि LCM into HCF, LCM into HCF अगर हम लोग करें तो उससे हम लोग को दो नंबर का मल्टीप्लाई मिला था। प्रोडक्ट ऑफ नंबर्स इन दिस वी कैन राइट हियर, और क्वेश्चन में दिया है कि LCM of two number is Z into HCF is equal to product of numbers X into Y. तो how can you find out the HCF? So HCF is equal to X multiplied Y by Z। इस तरह से हम लोग इसका वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हैं। सो विच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट इन दिस वे? ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट। So in this way we can think and we can take the options. Now next question is what? You can also check your ability by pausing this video। एक बार पॉज कर लेना है, रोक देना है और फिर एक बार सोचना है, अपने से सॉल्व करना है। आर यू एबल टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चंस और नॉट, पहले देख लेना है, उसके बाद इसको सॉल्यूशन को ट्राई करना है कि कैसे हम लोग सॉल्व करते हैं। So we will move to the next question. Find the least number. Find the least number which when divided. Find the least number which when divided by 36, 24 and 48 leaves remainder 33, 21 and 45 respectively। मतलब यहाँ पे डिविजर कौन कौन है? डिविजर यहाँ पे है 36, 24, ठीक है, 36 देन 24 एंड नेक्स्ट इज 48। रिमाइंडर क्या क्या बच रहा है? व्हाट आर द रिमाइंडर्स? ना रिमाइंडर आ रहा है 33, 21 एंड 45। Can you tell me the difference between this divisor and remainder? What is the difference here? So we can see the difference 36 और 3 का डिफरेंस कितना आया है? 3। 24 and 21 का डिफरेंस कितना आया है? 3। and 48 and 45 the difference is 3. So we can see here the difference between the divisor and remainder is 3 here. So the required number we can get in this way, the required number, मतलब मान लेते हैं कि x is the required number, इसमें हम 3 ऐड करेंगे तो हमको नंबर मिल जाएगा, और वो नंबर कौन सा होगा ना? LCM of 36, 24 and 48. 36, 24 and 48 का एलसीएम क्या होगा? व्हाट विल बी द एलसीएम? तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे कि x plus 3, what will be the LCM here? So we can get the LCM is 144. LCM आ जाएगा. So in this way we can get the value of x is, how can you find the value of x? By method of transposition. So this is 144 minus 3, that is 141. So which answer is correct? Option A is correct. 141 is the required number. So in this way you can solve these questions. You can see these are not the easy questions. So first you have to think. After that we will move to the question number 3. So you can see the question number 3 is here. Find the smallest number. फिर से यहाँ पे smallest number find करना है of 5 digit. जो 5 digit का होना चाहिए. स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर ऑफ 5 डिजिट का नंबर हमको चूज करना है which is exactly divisible by 60, 90 and 80. जो 60 से भी डिविजिबल हो, 90 से भी डिविजिबल और 80 से भी डिविजिबल हो. So how can you find out? Now we can take the LCM of this number first. LCM of 60, 90 and 80, तीनों का एलसीएम क्या होगा? सो द एलसीएम विल बी 720. और जो लार्जेस्ट मेरे पास नंबर था, स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर ऑफ 5 डिजिट क्या होगा? स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर ऑफ 5 डिजिट इज 1000. सो ये जो 1000 नहीं 10,000 सॉरी 720 से इसको डिवाइड करते हैं. हाउ कैन यू डिवाइड दिस? We can divide one time. So we can write here 720, then subtract it. After that, how many times it will go? 3 times. 0, 60. So 10,000 minus 640, but we have to add 720 as well, and the required number comes here 10,080. So which option is correct now? Now option C is correct. After that, question number 4. Product of two numbers is 56 and their HCF is 4. Find their LCM. So how can you find out this LCM? Now LCM is equal to product of two numbers divided by product of two number is given 56 and divided by HCF. HCF is 4. So 56 divided by 4 will get here 14. So which option is correct? Option B is correct. In this way we can solve our questions. Now question number 5. The relation of which of the given series is such that the numbers are the squares of the prime numbers? We have to search here squares of prime number. Prime numbers के square हम लोग को search करना है. So we know the prime numbers are, first prime number is 2, then second is 3, then 5. So we have to search. So square of 2 is 4, then okay, then square of 3 is 9, but here 6 is there, so we can cut this. Now square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 5 is 25, square of 6 is not there. Square of 7 not there. Okay, 81 has come, so it is the square of 9, but 9 is not a prime number, so we cannot take this one. Now square of 2 is 4, okay. Square of 3 is 9, okay. Square of 5 is 25, okay. Square of 7 is 49, okay. Square of 11 is 121, means these all are the square of prime numbers, so we can tick this C option. Option C is correct for question number 5. Now if you move to the question number 6, here question is asking a dash of a number is exact divisor of that number. So it could be multiple? No. It could be factor? Yes. It is not dividend, not remainder. So option B is correct. A factor of a number is exact divisor of the number. That is called factor. So definition of factor you have to know. Definition. Definition of factor. You have to learn. If p is the smallest odd prime number such that p plus 2 is also a prime number, then p plus 2 plus 1 is always what will be there. So let's see how can we think here. We have to think. Thinking कैसे है वो सीखना जरूरी है. p is the smallest odd prime number. So you know what is p? Smallest odd prime number कौन होता है? 3. Okay, then tell me p plus 2, that is your 3 plus 2 means 5, so we get here 5. Okay, p plus 2. Now tell me p and p plus 2 means it is your p means 3 and multiplied by 5, that is your 15. Now tell me p plus 2 and plus 1 means it is your 15 plus 1. So 15 plus 1 means 16, and you know the 16 is perfect square. It is a perfect square. So option D is correct. Question number 7. Option D is correct. In this way we can think these type of questions. How can you solve? Next question is, if you move question number 8, so you can read this question. Question number 8 is, if x, y, z, we have three numbers, x, y, z are three numbers such that LCM of xy is given y, LCM of yz is z, then LCM of xyz is what? Which one is the correct option? So we can think here, if two numbers x, y is given and their LCM is y, if x and y is two number and its LCM comes y again, means y is the greater number. Y is the greater number. So y is coming. Suppose we are taking the 3 and 6. What will be the LCM? The 6 is the LCM. Okay. Now LCM of y and z. Y and z. LCM of y and z has come z again. LCM of y and z has z again, means z is the larger number. And suppose I'm taking 6 and 12. 6 and 12, so LCM will be 12. 12 again. So what will be the LCM of x, y, z? So if I ask you 3 6 and 12. What will be the LCM? The 12 is the LCM. That is the largest number. So in this way we can say that the LCM of XYZ is Z itself. So this question was most tricky question. ये क्वेश्चन था, ये ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन था, ठीक है. So you have to solve the questions like this. Now next question is question number 9. We have, if Z is the HCF of X and Y, then HCF of X by Z and Y by Z is, what will be the HCF? Once again we can read the question. If Z is HCF of X and Y, we have the two numbers X and Y and its HCF has come Z. Okay. HCF has come Z. Then tell me the HCF of X by Z and Y by Z. What will be the HCF? So we have discussed this one. How can you find the HCF of rational numbers? ना, तो अगर HCF निकालना, HCF of X by Z and Y by Z, how can you find out? Now this is your HCF of numerator by LCM of denominator. Denominator is Z and Z, तो Z और Z का LCM क्या होगा? Z होगा, और HCF कितना दिया? Z ही दिया, तो Z by Z. HCF of X and Y is given Z and LCM of Z and Z is Z. So our final answer is what? 1. Final answer is 1. So the option is D. Option D is correct. In this way we can solve the questions. Now last question. Today's last question is here. Question number 10. Go through the question number 10. M and N are co-prime numbers and M is the lowest. So you all have to know about the co-prime numbers, and M is the lowest even prime number. You know the lowest even prime number is 2, means M is representing 2. Lowest even prime number is 2. So M is 2 and N is lowest odd number. You know the lowest, that is your 3. So M is representing 2 and N is representing 3. N is lowest odd prime number. So lowest odd prime number is 3. Now their product is, can you tell me the product is 2 into 3, 6. So option A is correct. So in this way we can solve the questions. Thank you all. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. And like the videos so that we can create more videos for you. Thank you.